Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be doing a little something today. So yeah, I'm just going to get on with it, to be honest. So I've got these candle holders, £1 and they're from Poundland. You can pick up one of these for £1 from Poundland. And you get a packet of these, you get a few in a pack for like, I think it was like £2, £2.50 from Wilko's. And obviously you get these flowers. I got two here. They're £1 each from Poundland. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be instead of using the glue gun, I'm gonna use the I'm just gonna use super glue and super glue them together like that. And then this is getting spray painted in black, and I'm gonna just either super glue it on or just have it, just standing on it, because look, it just like goes on like that. And when these two will be super glued together, they will go in there like that. And then I'll get the wire, the wire cutter things, and then start sticking them in, and then they'll go in like that. Obviously it'll be more neatened up, but yeah, so I'll probably see how it goes once all together. So what I'm gonna get on with I think the spray painting first, and then get the super glue out. So bye for now. So I've spray painted it. It's still drying at the top because I had to re-go over a little bit because some of the white was still showing, because it is a bit of a pain in the bum trying to get it into into like the little tiny bits there. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna start with the super gluing. So I'm gonna be super gluing these together like that. Obviously I'm gonna take these stickers off, but yeah, super glue them together like that, and then these will be super glued together like that. Yeah, so, but I think I'm gonna be adding a little bit extra to it. I'm thinking of when I've done this and I've got the wire cutters out and put the flowers in, I'm thinking of maybe putting some stones around the sides, so it just weighs it down a bit. So just gonna have to see how it all turns out. Yeah, I'm gonna get on with the super gluing now. Right, so I've super glued these together. Turns out super glue didn't work on this, but hey, people make mistakes. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with the flowers now, with the wire cutters. So yes, I'll probably well, what else I was thinking of doing is I've got some of these. You can pick up these from Poundland as well. Little gems. You get big ones and small ones. And I'm thinking of pretty much, around here, like say you know, there, put a big one there, and maybe put a small one there, but keep doing it all the way around and see what it turns out like. So yeah, so I'll probably see you, I'll probably be back when it's all done, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Hey everyone, so I finished it. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I went round with the gems around that bit. That's turned out alright. I didn't end up putting many stones in the bottom. Yeah, so it's all organised properly, and yeah, so it's looking alright. So yeah, so can you leave a comment below, let me know what you think, or what have you. Can you share, make this video go viral, or if you know anyone's interested in this type of stuff, then forward it to them. And turn on notifications if you want to see more stuff like this, and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to give me a like as well. Bye!